The human body is proving to be far more complex than we had originally thought. At the Computational Medicine Center of Jefferson, we are uncovering aspects of that complexity. When it comes to disease, we all like to simplify things down to one reason or a few specific reasons. But the reality of it is that in health and disease, you have the push and pull of many regulatory molecules.
Sort of the hot topic in the futurist look at where medicine heads talks about personalization of medicine.
We have now created the first map to help us navigate the complexity of the human body at the cellular level.
What we're really headed to is where no two individuals are the same. So even if a number of their standard molecular markers are the same and they look the same under the microscope, they will vary between those two individuals.
We've discovered many important regulators. These regulators interact with one another and also interact with many other molecules. These interactions are shaped by who we really are, by the individual variables we mentioned earlier: sex, ethnicity, geographic origin.
Every patient is their own unique individual with respect to disease processes. When you use data in the way that Isidore talks about it, it's really respecting that data and not feeling compelled to have a clear hypothesis to explain it on day one.
You need data to process, and you need somewhere to store the data. So the second very big component of the way we practice high-performance computing is data storage. For us, data is a currency. It's the way we start the next experiment, the way we publish the next paper. So from the very beginning, when we started the center, having the capability to store a lot of data, to access it very quickly from our high-performance computing system, the number crunching as part of that system, and the ability to back up all of that data was a critical design consideration.
Well, we're going into an age where it's probably going to be less expensive to sequence the entire genome of that individual. Given that data, that's the commoditization part of data, but what do you do with that? When you have billions of letters in an alphabet soup, where's the interpretation? What does it mean for the patient, and how do you tie that to treating disease and preventing disease in the patient? And that's the incredible excitement of where the field is going now.
Now we know what we are up against and how to tackle the complexity of disease. It is hard. It's not immediate. But at Jefferson, we are reimagining what is possible.